Welcome to Ingenuity. While the world was distracted by chat apps, engineering has quietly taken control of the physical world. In this episode, you'll see how AI has stopped guessing and started obeying the laws of the cosmos. The rollout of transportation that will change our cities forever. Get ready, because 2026 isn't what you imagined. In February 2026, on the CES stage, Jensen Huang didn't unveil a new chip. He introduced a new category of intelligence. NVIDIA spoke of something that until recently sounded philosophical: an AI that understands physics. This isn't a metaphor. For years, artificial intelligence models learned by observing millions of examples. If a truck took longer to brake, it was because the data showed it to. But now the system doesn't just need to look at the past. It understands the cause. It understands that mass generates inertia, that friction dissipates energy, that gravity is non-negotiable. That changes everything. A robot no longer holds a fragile box because it watched a lot of videos. It holds it with the exact pressure because it knows what will happen if it applies too much force. An autonomous vehicle doesn't brake late based on statistics, but rather anticipates the actual distance needed based on weight, speed, and the terrain's incline. This is the birth of artificial physical common sense. And when a machine begins to respect the laws of the universe, it ceases to be a digital tool. He becomes a real-world agent. Second, while AI was learning to respect gravity, something even more unsettling was brewing in laboratories. Machines capable of smelling, inspired by the fruit fly. A scientific team presented a miniaturized sensor that combines panoramic vision with advanced chemical detection. It's not just an improved camera. It's an artificial organ. Imagine a building collapsed after an earthquake. Dust covers everything. There's no visibility. For a human, entering is nearly impossible. But a small drone equipped with this system doesn't just see in 180 degrees. It perceives invisible traces in the air. It can identify a gas leak before it explodes. It can detect toxic compounds that no human eye could distinguish. It can track the chemical signature of a trapped person. For the first time, robotics incorporates something we've always associated with biology. Smell is a survival tool. The machine no longer just calculates. Now it perceives. Third, on February 19th, Tesla announced that the first Cybercab rolled off the production line in Giga, Texas. It has no steering wheel. It has no pedals. It doesn't expect you to take control. Behind this venture is Elon Musk, convinced that car ownership is a concept destined to become obsolete. The Cybercab isn't a car you can drive. It's a node within an autonomous network that promises to operate day and night, reducing the cost per kilometer to levels that could make owning a vehicle pointless. But this isn't just about technological innovation. It's about urban transformation. If millions of people start traveling in on-demand robotic taxis, cities will change their architecture, their traffic, and even their labor market. The question is no longer whether it can drive itself. The question is whether we're ready to stop driving ourselves. Fourth, in parallel, Asia is addressing one of the biggest psychological barriers to electric mobility. Range Bide and Sherry have unveiled advancements in solid-state batteries that promise up to 1,500 kilometers on a single charge. This isn't just a spectacular number. It's the point at which the anxiety disappears. With greater energy density and lower thermal risk, these batteries represent a quiet but strategic transition. China isn't just developing the technology. It's beginning to define the industrial standards that could govern its global adoption. When the country that produces the majority of the world's batteries decides how the next ones should be manufactured, we're not witnessing an incremental improvement. We're witnessing a redefinition of the energy landscape. And when an electric vehicle can travel distances that once seemed exclusive to diesel, the conversation ceases to be about the environment. It becomes unavoidable. Engineering isn't just building machines. It's replicating life itself. From robots that can smell to algorithms that respect gravity. We're witnessing the moment when artificial intelligence stops simulating the world and begins to inhabit it. If this video has opened your eyes, subscribe to Ingenuity. Because here, the future isn't predicted, it's built. See you at the next frontier.